Hi, in this video I will show you how to set your time tracking settings. The time tracking feature is currently available for your test execution. It is an optional function that you can turn on when you want to get more time tracking ability. It is a helpful option when you want to see how much time is actually used for certain test executions. So testers can estimate how much time it will take to execute a test run and log the actual time spent on it. By default, the time tracking feature is turned off and the execution time fields within the Test Execution tab are not visible. To activate time tracking, you need proper permissions within the Project Settings section. Select the gear icon and select Time Tracking. Change the activation status from off to on. Now you can define how you want to track your time in minutes, hours, days, or weeks. It is also here where you define your typical working day. Once you define the input, hit Save. Back in the test run, you can now see a new block to track time. Right now the fields are grayed out and they are going to be populated once you actually run the test. Once you set up the expected time and do a quick run, you will see the additional time tracking options in the boxes. And that's it. You now know how to use the time tracking feature. Thanks for watching.